How to install your Easy Smart Home Video Doorbell. Decide where you are going to place your doorbell. Make sure the space you choose can fit your mount. If you don't already have holes for a doorbell, drill some to fit the ovals of the mounting bracket. This is the time to decide if you are going to use a wedge with the mounting bracket or just the mounting bracket by itself. Place the two pieces against each other so that the bracket is close to you. Place a screw in the top oval of the mounting bracket, and the wedge if you're using one. Line your mount and screw in position with the hole. If there are two wires to power a doorbell, make sure they are accessible through the rectangle in the middle of the bracket. Screw in the bracket. Make sure your device is on and connected to your phone through the Easy Smart Home app. If you are using the doorbell wiring to power your device, place the two cables in the back of the doorbell, then place the device in the mounting bracket. You have now successfully installed your Easy Smart Home Video Doorbell. If you'd like to have your device installed professionally, feel free to order our installation, tutorial, and setup service on the Easy Smart Home website.